You need to try this if you want to get rid of a persistent problem. Start with a larger flower pot. Apply glue to the bottom and stick it to a saucer to keep everything stable. Then take 2 smaller pots. Glue one upside down inside the large pot, using the rim, and attach the second one on top of it, this time with the bottom facing down. Fill the space around them with decorative stones. They'll keep everything in place and add a nice visual touch. Into the center pot, add a few tablespoons of ground coffee. Its rich aroma is energizing for people, but repels some unwanted visitors. Now it's citrus time. Slice a lemon and a lime into thick rounds and layer them on the stones. Their sharp, fresh scent purifies the air and stimulates the senses. Add a few fresh mint leaves for a cooling and refreshing effect. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil, known for its relaxing properties and strong scent that comes with extra benefits. Pour in a little lighter fluid and finally, light the coffee mixture with the oil. The slow-burning smoke keeps mosquitoes away from your balcony or patio. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy summer evenings without annoying insects. Give this trick a try.